I'm back with a review. I'm pretty excited about doing this review. It's a Revlon product, and I'll show you the box here. It's a Salon one-step hair dryer and volumizer. So I'm someone who really loves to get blowouts, and I used to give myself blowouts all the time, but I found it very tiring on my arms. It took me 45 minutes to an hour to blow dry my hair. I have so much hair, and aside from having a lot, it's really thick, really heavy. I used to blow dry my hair using like a round brush and then the blow dryer and just straightening it and tugging at it until it got straight. I really loved the results. It was smooth, it was bouncy, exactly what you want a blowout to be. So I was really excited when I tried this product. It cut my blowout time in half. So I went from around 45 minutes to an hour, less than half actually, probably around 22 minutes is what it takes me to do my entire head from wet to dry. Now you're not supposed to do it from soaking wet. I have done it from soaking wet, and I noticed that my results were slightly frizzy. I don't know if that has anything to do with the end product, but you're supposed to blow dry it when it's about 60% dry. So my hair has already been washed and it's starting to dry a little bit. It's still pretty wet, but I'm going to go ahead and do a review on this product. So it's an all-in-one. It's pretty big. You can see it's about the size of my face. But the exciting part about it is that the bristles it has two different kinds of bristles. So it has the boar head bristles. Those are the ones that really pull and smooth your hair out. So when I've done my blowouts before, I usually just use a wooden round brush with boar head bristles. Now it also has these other bristles here, these pink ones, and those really work for straightening and taking the tangles out. I was really worried at first to use this brush because my hair is so long, and I was kind of afraid that it would get stuck. And I've used round brushes with just these type of pink bristles before, and especially when I was younger, I learned the hard way that they would just get so knotted that they would get stuck, and I'd have to go to my mom, and it literally took hours taking it out because I don't know how I managed to just completely wrap it in there, and it was just one big knot. That wasn't fun. So I was kind of scared to use this, but I actually was pleasantly surprised. It glides right through your hair. You also have this little knob here that you can hold on to. So as you're blow drying your hair, you want to roll it and smooth it out. And one thing that I remember from getting blowouts was how much the hairdresser will actually twist and roll that round brush, and that's what gets your hair really shiny and smooth, and will take all the frizziness away. So there are 3 different settings. The one that I prefer is actually high, but that's because I have really thick, coarse, frizzy hair. So if you have lighter hair, thinner hair, you might want to try a lower setting. Once I'm done doing my whole head, I'll do a blast of cold air just to set the style and to bring some shine into it. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started. And if you have any questions, please leave a comment below. If you liked the video, make sure to like. So here we go. So I'm gonna start with parting my hair. I'll do the bottom first. I like to do the front last because that's where I really style my hair to make sure it looks good. So we're gonna start off with one section. Now, I'm still gonna go ahead and use my paddle brush to comb it out. I'm gonna use a heat protectant. So the heat protectant I'm using is called Keratin Smooth from Tresemme, but I'm sure any heat protectant will be good. The good thing about this blow dryer is that there's less heat damage than what you would get from a hot iron. Because on a hot iron, I would have to use it at roughly, the highest it would go, honestly, 420, I think is what my flat iron goes up to. Okay, so here we go. I'm gonna put it on high, and I'll mute this so you don't have to hear all the loud noise. did the first section. Now I'm gonna do a cool blast. Like I said, I usually do it at the very end, but I want everyone to see what the end results would look like. So here we go. Okay, so when you add that cool blast, I mean, it really adds a shine. There we go. I'm just trying to get you guys to see it. Oh, it's so pretty. I love it. So that's what I'm going to continue doing throughout my whole head. I'll go ahead and fast forward this next spot so that you don't have to listen to all the noise. I do want to let you know what the noise sounds like, at least, so you can see about how loud it is. So here's my voice. I'll continue talking as I put it on high. This is high, so it is pretty loud. Even though it's really loud, it dries your hair very fast. So it's not annoying to me like a hair dryer, because a hair dryer, I know I'm gonna be there forever. Okay guys, here I go. love this thing. Like, it is amazing. We're at 31 minutes recording, and remember, I had a short time that I was already talking before I even started. Now, when I did my hair today, it was actually more wet than what it usually is. So usually I have it about 60 to 70% dry, because this is, even though it's a blow dryer, it's more of a styler. So if you notice at the beginning of this, when I first started blow drying my hair, it was so wet, it was dripping. So like the ends I would flip and they were just dripping. But here you have it. What I just put in my hair is a little bit of oil, argan oil, just so you can see it. And I put that in because I get a lot of flyaways and frizzies. But with this, I really don't have any, but I put it on anyway because I live in Florida and the humidity here is cray. So there you have it. Super duper long hair. So shiny, so bouncy. It feels really healthy, just like when you get a blowout, that you have that fresh salon hair that you just want to keep running your fingers through like I'm doing. I mean, I know I need a trim, and look at these ends. I mean, it's just beautiful. Like, you can see all of my layers. There is so much shine. At Target, it was $59.99. I believe Amazon has it for like $53, but I'm an instant gratification kind of girl, so I had to have it. Something that I noticed when you buy it is you actually look forward to washing your hair so you can use it again, because it's fun. It's so easy. This thing for me is a miracle. I highly, highly recommend everyone go get it. I put a post about it on my Facebook and told all my girlfriends, like, they have to go get it. I'm still amazed at these pink bristles. Your hair just glides right through them like a paddle brush. It won't tangle your hair up at all. There was no tugging. There's slight tension, which is to be expected from boar hair bristles, but it's smooth. You saw how easy it is. So I hope you liked this video, and I hope you pick one of these up, because honestly, Revlon, I don't know how you did it, but you did it. So I hope you like this video. I hope you run out and buy this product. If you like this video, give me a like, and I hope you follow along. So hit that subscribe button, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye, guys.